Hey y'all! This is a
Hey.
impromptu Giggles and Goals unboxing.
Yes, I'm so excited for this. So we or you want to tell it
No,
since
you do
it's
the
your
intro.
okay,
No,
okay,
no, go
okay.
ahead.
So if you haven't seen it already, then we interviewed a lovely woman, Val, who is the founder and creator of Emmersed candles. And Crystal went ahead and bought a beautiful look at that.
It arrived, y'all. It has her logo
Woo!
on it. So
Yes.
let's unbox
Let's
it
unbox
together.
it and
I
see what
definitely
it's giving.
should
Because
have brought
first of all,
scissors in here.
I absolutely love that interview. If you haven't listened to it, if you haven't heard it, go and listen to it. Very, very good tidbits on how to start a small business, grants, how to get grants, how to overcome a saturated market. Like she was dropping mad gems in that interview. So now she packages up real good. She makes sure that ain't nothing happening to your candles. So the packaging is,
Also should have brought scissors in here, but
all right. So then Crystal's over here just
we're
ripping it to
using
shreds.
black girl things. This is always around. I'm about
What
to have
is that?
scissors.
A duck clip? You can cut tape with a duck clip?
Girl, yeah, you can do everything with a duck clip.
Well, that's dangerous. Well, you might slice your head open with that.
Okay, I'm almost open. I'm almost open. Okay, hold on, y'all. My goodness, maybe not. All right. All right. All right.
So she got the 3 candle set.
Yes, I did. I don't remember what my scents were, so we're
Well,
gonna
yeah, let's
remember
get
right
into
now.
the scents. Let's get into the first of all, everything on there smelled good. I
Uh,
was like,
I,
I was having I was
oh my
hard time
god.
making a decision. I
First of
had
all,
a what?
it already smells good. I'm not even like I just opened this and I already can
Okay.
smell the candle.
Yes. Oh,
Y'all.
I'm so excited. I'm so
Okay.
excited. I wish I had candles. I was having a paralysis of analysis. I'm like, there's too many options.
Okay. So
So
this is
good though. Good
the
options.
beautiful box that it comes in.
Yes.
All right. Like I literally can smell it coming out of this box. That's how you know this is
I
gonna have
think
my
it's upside
house.
down. Oh.
Oh, yeah. There's the logo.
It's about to fall out all over your lap.
Okay, this is really nice. Okay, here we go. It says get immersed.
Oh, and she got so go ahead.
I did the wooden wicks.
Yeah, because she let you choose the type of wicks you want.
Yes,
So
because
the
I've
wooden
never
wicks.
had a candle with wooden wicks before, so I was like, let me try it. Oh my god, this smells so good, y'all. It smells
Okay,
way
so
too
what are the
good.
scents? What's the scent? And
Okay,
then describe. You gotta describe it.
so this is the first one. It's called Girls Gin and Shea, 100% soy wax candle. Smell. I mean, I don't know what gin smells like, so I can't tell you it smells like gin.
Like the alcohol?
I think so,
I'm sure it doesn't smell like the
but it
alcohol.
actually smells like nature to me.
Okay.
So it's probably the shea butter, but it smells really good. Okay, let's do this one. Brave, refreshing jasmine.
Mm.
Oh, that smells like jasmine. Smells like a like Korean spa.
Ooh, now I love a spa.
Oh, it smells really good. You know what? It smells expensive. Like I don't know if anyone's ever been to like one of those bougie stores like Sonoma and something or whatever.
Right. Mm-hmm.
That's what it smells like. That's what this one smells like. Okay, the
First of all,
last.
I don't care what the scent is, but if it's luxury and expensive,
It
that
smells
really is
lush.
like handles 80% of the problem.
Okay, okay. This one is fruity frankincense snuggles.
Okay.
I picked this one because Jesus used to put frankincense on him.
Okay.
That's why I wanted to be closer to the Lord, so that's why I picked this one.
Sure. What does it smell like?
I guess frankincense.
You ain't smelled frankincense before?
It's been a while. I used to have some, but this one I smell the fruity smell more than like essential oil.
Mm-hmm.
So it smells fruity. But all three and together they smell really, really good. So
So
it's definitely
light
giving
'em
the
up.
lux. Like I definitely
Okay.
can see when she said that she wants to have like luxury brand candles.
Yeah.
I didn't bring a lighter in here. I wasn't prepared. Anyway, I can definitely see this being in a luxury store. Like,
Yes.
and then even getting to choose my wig, that's how I know that she made this for me. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like, not for me, but it feels handmade.
Custom. Yeah.
Yeah. So I love it. Great job, Val.
I'm so excited and I love the brown and the white. It's very, very nice and timeless.
Anyway, that's all we want to share with y'all. Bye. We don't have
Go
a discount
buy.
code for you, but
Right.
maybe
Don't
one
have
day.
maybe one
Yeah.
day go and get immersed. Go buy Get Immersed and have a good time
Yeah. We'll see.
relaxing with your candles.
I'll light them this week. So maybe one of these episodes I'll let y'all know if it smells like my whole house or not, but beautiful.